Have you ever felt like the whole world of health and wellness is just a little too much? You know, the intense workouts, the super strict diets, and this constant pressure to be perfect? Well, today we're going to look at a totally different path, one that's a lot more balanced and honestly sustainable. Let's dive in. This quote, right from the planner we're checking out today, just says it all, doesn't it? It cuts through all the noise. It's speaking directly to anyone who is just so tired of that all or nothing approach. This is all about gentle progress, the kind that actually sticks around. I mean, if you've ever jumped into a new fitness plan full of excitement, only to completely burn out a few weeks later, you are so not alone. That feeling of being totally overwhelmed is exactly the problem that this planner is trying to solve. Okay, so let's get into the solution it offers. Everything here is built around this one core idea, this philosophy of gentle progress. And here's the key thing to get. This is not about some crazy, dramatic transformation in 28 days that you could never possibly keep up with. No, it's about building a solid foundation of small, mindful habits that you can actually carry with you long, long after those 28 days are over. And here it is. The planner itself is designed to be your buddy on this journey, a simple guide that helps you figure things out at your own pace and in your own way. You can use it on a tablet, you can print it out. The whole point is for it to be right there with you. You know, what's really cool is how thoughtfully it's been designed. It's intentionally halal-friendly, which means it's modest and just appropriate for everyone. The language is super simple, so anyone, anywhere in the world can use it. Every little detail, from the clean, calming layout to the fact that it was made with real sincerity, is meant to support you, not stress you out. Okay, so we get the philosophy. But what does it actually look like day to day? Let's do a little walkthrough of a typical day using the planner. Before you even hit day one, you start right here by setting your intentions. The planner actually makes you stop and think about your why. And this isn't just about setting goals like lose 10 pounds. It's about connecting to what's really motivating you, which, let's be honest, is the secret to sticking with any new habit. So each day is broken down into this really simple 4-part structure. It gives your day this nice, gentle rhythm. You start with intention, you move your body, you nourish yourself, and you end with a little reflection. It's balanced and so easy to follow. The morning reflection is basically your daily check-in. How'd you sleep? How's your energy on a scale of 1 to 5? And what's one thing you're grateful for today? I mean, just starting with gratitude can totally shift your mindset for the whole day. Okay, I absolutely love this part. For the movement section, the planner doesn't ask you about calories burned or miles run. Nope. It asks you how the movement felt. This pushes you to actually listen to your body and pick things that feel good instead of just punishing yourself with a workout you hate. And it's the exact same idea for nourishment. Yeah, you track what you eat and drink, but the most important part is noting how it made you feel. Energized, a little heavy, or just right. It's such a simple, powerful way to start seeing that connection between food and your mood, which helps you make better choices without even thinking about it. And then you close out the day with an evening reflection. You get to pinpoint a highlight, think about something you learned, and just check in with your overall mood. It's a simple practice that helps you appreciate your own progress and learn from your experiences one day at a time. So that's what one day looks like. But how do all these individual days start to build some real momentum? Let's zoom out and see how this planner helps turn those daily actions into habits that last. At the end of every 7 days, you get to a weekly review. This is where you get to step back and see the bigger picture. The prompt is so simple, but so powerful. Pause and reflect. Small steps add up. It's your dedicated time to just acknowledge the effort you've put in. And this is one of the main questions it asks you. It literally forces you to focus on your wins, no matter how small they seem. It also asks about your challenges and what you learned from them, which basically turns every single week into a learning opportunity. And this is the payoff. After 28 days, you get to this progress review page, and it captures your transformation side by side. You're not just guessing if you feel better. You can actually see the shift in your energy, your sleep, how your body feels, even your confidence. It's real, tangible proof that all those small, consistent efforts really, really worked. So what happens after day 28? Is it all over? Of course not. The goal isn't just to stop. This planner is designed to be a toolkit, something to help you keep the journey going in a way that feels good. To help you keep things fresh, the planner has these pages with simple, wholesome meal ideas. These aren't strict recipes you have to follow. They're just easy inspiration for feeding your body well without having to overthink it. It also gives you a whole list of gentle movement ideas that you'll notice don't require a gym membership or any fancy equipment. It shows you that movement can be as simple as dancing in your living room or taking a nice walk with a friend. And finally, it gives you really clear, actionable steps for what to do next. You can repeat the cycle with some new goals, or maybe just focus on one habit you want to get better at. The journey doesn't really have an endpoint, you know? It's just a continuous, evolving practice. This final quote from the planner is honestly the perfect takeaway. It's such a powerful reminder to just be kind to yourself. This whole thing is about celebrating your effort and recognizing that you are always moving forward, even on the days when it might not feel like it. And this whole guide was created with a lot of sincerity by Fayzan. It's a great reminder that behind simple, helpful tools like this, there's often a real person who just genuinely wants to help all of us find a little more balance, peace, and health, one gentle step at a time.